This is my land, but this ain't your land. Woohoo!
Oh, great Odyssey of Homer! Do I detect a hint of the nectar of the gods in the atmosphere?
Why, today's your lucky day. Why don't you take one of them there refreshing VegasFuels for yourself? I got a whole buttload of them at Rite Aid with my wellness card and GNC with my gold card.
Oh, the sweet nectar.
Well, my name's Jasper Pettigoat. You sure do got a funny way of talking. Woo-hoo!
How many a fortnight was I incapacitated?
Say what?
How long was I out?
Man, I got no earthly idea.
Oh dear. Is it possible that I missed the return?
The return?
The return of a million, nay, a billion cicadas.
Ah! Batten down the hatches! I seen it on the TV! It ain't safe out there! What with the zombie flies? Ain't no zombie fly gonna make me zombie! Woohoo! They're coming to suck your soul!
Nay, young Neanderthal, they're completely harmless. This group of 1-inch wingless nymphs have been securely in their underground lair, feeding on tree root when the ground temperature reaches precisely 64 degrees. And after 17 years, they will indeed make their triumphant resurgence. And after the mating ritual, the females will eventually lay over 600 eggs. The circle of life, it's enough to make kings and vagabonds believe the circle of life.
Heck, I love mating rituals! Woohoo!
Yes. It's happening! They descend upon us!
Woohoo! Maters gone mate!
Could it be?
Wouldn't you know it? After all this time, all them little bugs wanted was some VegasFuel.
We must restore the balance to our ecosystem and to our daily lives with delicious positive energy.
Heck, I could have told you that.
We must head to Rite Aid and GNC immediately post haste.
Woo-hoo! Look, this ain't no rocket surgery. Over 1 billion cicadas agree. Why, VegasFuel just tastes better. And it's conveniently available at Rite Aid and GNC. Woo-hoo!
The circle of life.